Facets EDI claims course outline. ELearningLine presents Facets EDI Analyst Training. The main objective of this course is to provide an overview of EDI 837 structure and the relevant topics. It is targeted for both healthcare IT newbies and experts and provide an overview of EDI functions and reporting. In engaging videos on each of the topic, all from ELearningLine course. Before we start talking about what the course is going to cover and how the course is structured, let's look into the overall objective of it. It is designed by experts and the experienced EDI professional. It gives you enough theory and practical aspect that is required to get a business analyst, system analyst, quality assurance analyst, or subject matter expert job. Moving on, why us? With us, you get associated with the industry's experienced resources who help us design the course curriculum, which gives you the best and the most demanding information, whether it is a system side or whether it is a business side. So we are known for our best practical knowledge and have been associated with the healthcare most demanding subject matter experts. So you get whatever you are getting from us is from the best trainers and the best professionals who are out there in the market. In terms of the prerequisite, healthcare IT knowledge is definitely required, and you have to know all the terms and the terminology associated from the healthcare IT industry to make sure down the road when you are learning the facets, you are able to follow through and understand the terminology. We provide technical assistance for 6 months, so if you have any query even while working, you can always get back to us. By contrast, our series of role-based courses deliver in-depth training on a specific role within the business processes. Know before you go. Healthcare domain knowledge is must for facets training, and we take that as a prerequisite for any enrollment. As part of the course outline, it will start from introducing electronic data interchange, what gateway is, and we will teach you what is the claim adjudication process on the EDI side and how the electronic adjudication implementation is done. Then we will move on to EDI 837 inbound processes and the claim XC processes, where you will have the claim process, databases, and the XC backout processes. We'll also talk about the multi-engine electronic adjudication process, batch action codes, recall logic, and towards the end of this session, you will have the Facets electronic claim system flow information, which will be shared with you. Electronic adjudication application will cover the external claim editing and the claim logging application. Then we will talk about the electronic adjudication and the several reports like a claim report or error report, which can be the dental claim detail, hospital claim detail, or the medical claim detail. These are the different type of error reports. So you would know and you will learn what kind of an information you are looking for and where you can look for what kind of a report you have to look into. Adjudication and the error messaging chapter is going to cover about the system message logging, critical versus adjudication errors, system message data structure, how the data is structured and how you can utilize that. Then we have the 837I, where you will be given an example to showcase that how the trading partner profile work, how the provider identifier mapping logic is used, how the 837I to XC ITS, which is the interplan teleprocessing system works, and what is the recall logic. Down the road, you will be exposed to the outbound claim files, where you will learn about the program, record types, claim level hierarchy, what are the valid record types available, what are the errors during pre-processing and the pre-processor actions, outbound claim record sequence, sample claim in OC file format, how does it look, you will be exposed to the sample code for that as well. Then we will make sure you have plenty of knowledge about the INI file, which is very important for the trading partner perspective. And we will teach you what is the specialty code, how the pay-to providers are getting used on the EDI side, and any other provider like rendering provider, referring provider, ordering provider. So these are different type of providers. Towards the end of the session, you will have some miscellaneous area where there are several topics which are not kind of a sub-processes, but still it is kind of a key for completing the EDI training. So you will learn about the translation, error reporting, claim extract status update, how to view the claim in the claim inquiry, then what are the facet reports available, and also we'll talk about the acknowledgement summary report, which is your 997 function. To test your knowledge, this is very important to have some kind of a quiz. So we have implemented a quizzing system where you will be able to judge where do you stand and how much have you learned by going through the practice test and the quizzes. We will also give you some interview tips so that it's easier for you to nail down the interview in the first sight and you are not struggling with that to boost up your energy and your boost up your knowledge. Then we will teach you about the resume preparation. This is all part of your testing your knowledge and how to enable your experience. And this is all about the healthcare facets EDI training. If you have any question and queries, you feel free to call us at 848-200-0448. Happy learning.